Good afternoon. G of x equals x plus 2 squared. This means that it's 2 to the left. So it is shifted left by 2. This is a vertical stretch, so it is vertically stretched. This means it is shifted down by 3. Inside the parentheses means left and right. Outside of the parentheses means up and down. There you go. Fruit pie recipe calls for twice as many peaches as nectarines. That's a little confusing. That means that there's going to be more peaches than there are nectarines. So that means P equals 2n. P equals the number of peaches. N equals the number of nectarines. So I know this is right because if I plug in 10 for n, then I'd get 20 for p. So in other words, I can tell that the number of peaches is bigger than the number of nectarines, and it said twice as many peaches as nectarines, so there should be more peaches than nectarines, so that's good. Okay, it takes a total of 168 pieces of fruit for all the pies. So that means the total number of pieces of fruit, p plus n, is equal to 168. This is a good candidate for a substitution. This is p, that's equal to p, so I'm going to substitute that in. So I end up with 2n plus n equals 168. 3n equals 168. N equals 56. So we need 56 nectarines. Moving on. G of -5, that means you plug in -5, so you have -5 cubed minus 2. That's -125 minus 2, -127. This is going to be 7 plus 4 minus -5, so that's 7 plus the square root of 9. That's 7 plus 3, which equals 10. Finally, you have the cube root of -5 plus -59. So that's the cube root of -64. A number times itself equals -64. That number is -4. Because if you do -4 times -4 times -4, you get -64. Oops, that's a 64. Okay. Alright. Combine like terms, 4x plus 4 equals 4x plus 3. Already, any number that I plug in, this side is always going to be one bigger than that side because this is 4x plus 4 and 4x plus 3. If you graph these, there's two lines that never cross. There's no solution. Alright, here I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 6t equals 3t plus 9. Subtract 3t from both sides. 3t equals 9. T equals 3. One solution. Explain how I know, because only one number makes this true. You could write that down. No numbers make this true. Alright, I'm going to distribute here. 12m minus 18 minus 3m equals 2m minus 18 plus m. Okay, a lot going on here. Combine like terms. 3m minus 18. This becomes 9m minus 18. Subtract 3m from both sides. 6m minus 18 equals negative 18. Plus 18 on both sides. 6m equals 0. Divide by 6, m equals 0. That is one solution. There's one number that makes it true, and that is m equals 0. Okay, last one. Combine like terms, 8 plus 3y equals, combine these like terms, 3y plus 8. These are the same. It's the same exact thing on both sides. There are infinitely many solutions. I could plug in any number for y, and it would come out true. Thanks for playing, and I'll see you next time.